Dear students, today's topic is A Snake in the Grass. It's a short story written by R.K. Narayan. Let's know about the author, R.K. Narayan. R.K. Narayan is one of the greatest Indian English novelists. His subtle irony, gentle humor, and lucid narrative style captivate the readers. He was honored with Sahitya Akademi Award in the year 1960 for the novel The Guide. The Guide novel made into movie. His popular works are Swami and Friends, Mr. Sampath, Manager of Malgudi, Malgudi Days, and The English Teacher. R.K. Narayan created a fictional town called Malgudi. Let us see the characters in the short story. Mother and four sons. Dasa. Dasa is a servant of the family. Old beggar woman and a snake charmer. These are the characters we see in this short story. Let's go into the story. On a sunny afternoon, when the inmates of the bungalow are taking an afternoon nap, a cyclist rings the bell at the gate crazily and announces that a big cobra has entered their compound. The family, consisting of the mother and her four sons, assemble at the gate, and the old servant Dasa is sleeping in the shed. They wake him up and tell him about the cobra. Dasa says that there is no cobra and he tries to dismiss the matter. The family rebuke him and force him to search for the snake. Some neighbors come to the bungalow and say that Dasa is a lazy servant on the earth. Dasa counters them, saying the family has not provided a grass cutter for months. Now, the college boy of the house elaborates the statistics of snakebite deaths that 30,000 people die every year. Neighbors, family members, and Dasa all tuck up their dhotis and start cutting the bushes and creepers. An old beggar woman cries for the alms at the gate. She says that Lord Subramanya has come to visit you in the form of the snake, so don't kill the snake. Old beggar words reminds the mother about her forgotten Abhishekam promise to God Subramanya. Old beggar promises to send a snake charmer and leaves the bungalow. An old snake charmer appears at the gate and presents a demo on catching snakes before the gathering. He gives his address and asks them to inform him if they find the snake. At 5 in the evening, they all sit in the veranda to take rest. While they are discussing on the measures to protect themselves against snakes, Dasa appears before them with a sealed water pot. He says that he has caught the cobra and put it in the pot. Dasa feels himself like a champion. Mother compliments him and they decide to reward him for his brave act. Dasa goes out of the house to hand over the sealed pot to the snake charmer. After 5 minutes, the youngest son sees a snake crawling under the gate and it disappears along the drain. Family members are in a state of confusion whether there are two snakes or Dasa has deceived them. So Dasa, in order to retain his job and to impress the family, he cheats them cleverly. The author leaves the ending to the imagination of the readers. The themes in the story are duty, superstitions, and tradition. The story is a gentle satire and superstitious beliefs regarding snakes. For this short story summary, visit my blog englishlanguage-lit.blogspot.com. The link is given in the description. Thank you for watching this video.